So in this particular example of sodium chloride, in the first step, sodium reacts with half mole of chlorine to form sodium chloride. It means that here sodium chloride is formed. So I can say that this is standard enthalpy of formation and this is exothermic reaction. Its value is minus 411 kilojoule per mole. Second step involves standard enthalpy of sublimation. What is sublimation? Sublimation is the vaporization of a substance. It means that sodium from the solid state will convert into gaseous state and the del H naught of sublimation will be equal to 109 kilojoule per mole. Now the reaction is endothermic. Third is ionization energy. Ionization energy is that minimum amount of energy which is required to remove outermost electron from its outermost shell. So from sodium it has one electron in its outermost shell and that one electron will be removed from the outermost shell with the release of electron. So sodium will form sodium ion, that is sodium positive ion, with the release of one electron. So the ionization energy of sodium will be 496 kilojoule per mole. Now in case of chlorine, when chlorine reacts, it forms 2 moles of chlorine negative, that is chlorine ion. Here the bond between two chlorine atoms is breaking. Now this is the del H naught of dissociation, that is bond is being break. So the del H naught of dissociation will be equal to 242 kilojoule per mole. Dissociation mean breakage of bond. So here breakage of chlorine bond is occurring. Next, the chlorine reacts with the electron, means chlorine gains electron to form chlorine negative. And here electron affinity, that is standard enthalpy of electron affinity, which means that from 1 moles of atoms, 1 mole of ions are formed. So chlorine reacts with electrons to form chlorine ion, that is chlorine negative. Here ions are formed from the atom. So it is electron affinity. So del H naught of electron affinity is equal to minus 348 kilojoule per mole. This reaction is also exothermic. The final reaction is sodium ion reacts with chlorine ion to form sodium chloride. And here del H naught of lattice energy means in which ionic crystals are formed. Here the crystals of sodium chloride, that is yellow crystals of sodium chloride, are formed. So I have defined all the energies, all the standard enthalpies of formation, combustion, sublimation, atomization, electron affinity, all of these. Now what is atomization? The standard enthalpy change of atomization is the del H required to produce 1 mole of gaseous atoms. So for the formation of atoms we used standard enthalpy of atomization. So here from sodium atom is again formed. So this is del H naught of atomization. This is endothermic reaction. From sodium atom is formed. So it is endothermic reaction and the value is plus 109 kilojoule per mole. According to Hess's law, the sum of all the 5 steps leads to the heat of formation of NaCl, that we are doing heat of formation of sodium chloride. So for the formation of sodium chloride, we need del H naught of formation, that we are forming or preparing sodium chloride. So for the formation of sodium chloride, we will sum standard enthalpy of sublimation plus standard enthalpy of ionization energy plus half of the standard enthalpy of dissociation plus standard enthalpy of electron affinity plus standard enthalpy of lattice energy. I have defined all these terms. For the formation of sodium chloride, you have to add the values of all these. You have to add the energy values of all these. And you will get the final answer for the formation of sodium chloride. Thank you so much.